Step into the 2003 Kia Rio. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bucket seats, 4-cylinder engine, power outlet, power windows, front-wheel drive, passenger airbag, CD player, rear defrost, and front reading lamps. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.